Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to enable team create on Roblox Studio. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to enable that, you need to enter into your studio and over your game, and then at the top side you may see the view option. Click the view option. Once you clicked, you may see a number of icons over there. Please click team create icon. This is the team create icon. Once you click the team create icon, it shows turn on at the bottom. For some guys they shows like save on Roblox. So once you save the thing on Roblox, you may see turn on. Once you turn on, your name is on the team create. So once it's done, you need to collaborate with your friends. So for that, at the right side you may see the collaborate option. So here it shows something like so. Once your name is over there, you need to add your friends. So for that you need to click the plus symbol. It's a collaborate option. So once you click, you need to enter your friend's name. So the connection name, friends and connection are same, like you need to enter your friends connection name to save it. Also you can save any other guys, but the connection only have the edit option, so you both can edit your gameplay. So for that, please add your connection over here and give the edit permission and then save it. So after, what we are gonna do is we need to share the studio link, the game link. So for that you need to enter into your Roblox, and on the more, just click create. Once you click create, it's navigate to the creator hub. Over there you need to take your game link. So please click the three dot icon and then view on Roblox. So it may take to your game site. Over there you need to copy the link and share it to your friend. So once you shared, he can easily edit your gameplay. So if you're not they don't have the access to edit and they don't get it. So once you're done, it shows like edit in studio, same as it will be on your friend's screen. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.